Hey guys, so it's been a couple of weeks that I sent my car in. The previous video is the one that, you know, the entire car's being stripped out and everything. And yep, I think it's been 2 to 3 weeks, I'm not sure. So let's check out the progress and what's been done and what's going to be done, right? Alright, let's go! Okay, where shall we start? So finally the cars already have some kind of carpet, the hole drilling on the floor being removed and patched up, and they have tidied up most of the wiring there. Already have proper seats, Kelisa seats. Importantly, they custom some kind of air conditioning wiring, because before this there isn't any wiring available for the entire air conditioning system. They have tidied up most of the you know, a lot of weird wiring here and there. They have tidied that up, and I've installed an additional oil catch can. They have tidied up the silicone hose as well. Great job. Yes, a lot more electrical stuff to do still, right? Yeah, what is this wire here? Let them figure it out. They did a great job, and they'll be able to find the roof lining, but it's not installed yet. That's the last stage. Alright, yeah, let's take a look at the boot though. Yep, they put in a makeshift here speaker board, and yep, a lot more custom things to do. And we've replaced the new entire hood, right? Entire hood. Why? Because the old one has been stripped out and is in bad condition. They'll be able to find you know, the black one. That's great. But the hood though, the hood is not the black one. But anyway, why I want to change the hood? Because I don't want the hood scoop, because my intercooler is front mounted, so there's no reason for a hood scoop. They will finish up the addition, all the wiring stuff, and all the wiring stuff, the dashboard and the air conditioning. They will finish it up and mount everything back together, make this car drivable at least, right? And what else we have done? I've also replaced the headlights. Finally, you finally have some clear eyes. Sorry, it's a bit noisy here. Yeah, I think that pretty much it for now. I don't know what else I want to show you guys. Yeah, let's show you guys the back seat though. And yep, this is the back seat, and we did the service on the oil change, and you know, the gear bush. Yep, a lot of things still need to be done. I think it will need a couple of fixes more, I guess, right? Yep. And I think that today they are going to do the exhaust. Yo, you guys check it out. It is super noisy because it is a straight damn pipe, 3-inch pipe straight all the way to the downpipe. That is crazy. The noise is all I can say is it's a very frustrating noise. I don't like it. I'll show you. Yep. Listen to that shit. That shit is noisy as fuck. Alright. I think that's all for the updates for this week. Alright. That's all, I guess.